In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up with IFX Broker. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to ifxbrokers.com, and then on here on the website, you want to click on Start Trading here in the middle of your screen. Whenever you do that, it's going to take you to a separate page, which is the registration page. And then here's where you can sign up for either an individual account or a company account. So click on the one that's relevant in your case and then put in your details, such as your first name, surname, email, password, country of residence, etc. And whenever you come to the very end, make sure you also tick these boxes over here. Of course, the ones that you want to tick, make sure you read everything before doing it. And then here, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on register now. Now, to actually sign up, this is what you have to do. However, whenever you click register now, you will not get the access to your account right away. So the first thing that's going to happen, they will send an email to your selected email, which you basically put in over here in this field. And then whenever you go to your email, in about a minute, you will receive an email from IFX Brokers. And in there, there's going to be like a confirmation link. Click on that link, and then your account is going to be confirmed and registered. And then you'll basically be automatically directed to your client area. And then inside that client area, you'll be able to create either demo accounts at first, or you could just go ahead and start the verification process, and you'll be able to upload your documents, go through the application, the questionnaires, and whenever you do that, your account will be fully verified and fully functional, and you'll be able to start using it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.